Clifford and I love Christmas. I remember the very first Christmas Clifford spent with us. He was a really tiny puppy back then. He had never seen a Christmas tree before. On Christmas Eve, we got out the decorations. I held down a branch so Clifford could hang a candy cane on it. My hand slipped. Clifford didn't like it at the top of the tree. Daddy had to rescue him. The tree looked beautiful. Clifford found a ball to play with. He swung at the big ornament, but it swung right back. Poor little puppy. Next, I wrapped some gifts. Clifford helped. At last it was time for bed. I tucked Clifford in. Mom turned out the lights and said goodnight. Clifford couldn't sleep. He went out to investigate. Then somebody dropped in. Santa was about to fill my stocking. What a surprise! Santa told us we had to go to sleep so that he could deliver our presents. In the morning, we found he had left a little gift for Clifford. And there were lots of gifts for the rest of us too. I got many new toys to play with. Clifford looked cute in my new doll's clothes. He was just the right size for my electric toy car. I turned on the switch. And Clifford took off. He wasn't a very good driver. Clifford got other nice toys too, but he liked mine better. He pretended to be a giant dog in my dollhouse. And a tunnel for my miniature train. He played horse for my Thumbelina doll. Imagine a dog big enough to ride. What a silly idea, I thought. Even though Clifford is big now, he's still my very special Christmas puppy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. Happy holidays! See you next time!